Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn all programming languages. Begin by mastering core programming concepts that are universal across nearly every language. Instead of jumping between many languages, dedicate yourself to deeply understanding one, perhaps for 6 months to 1 year. This strong foundation in one language, including its data structures and algorithms, will serve as your blueprint for all future learning. Once you have a solid base, the easy method involves identifying common patterns. Most languages share fundamental structures, such as conditional statements, loops, and function definitions. Look for these similarities. For instance, how do you declare a variable in Python versus Java? Often, the underlying logic is identical, only the syntax differs slightly. This pattern recognition significantly reduces the learning curve for each new language. Practical application is crucial. Start building small projects immediately after learning basic syntax. For example, create a simple calculator or a to-do list application. A highly effective technique is to take a project you built in your first language and re-implement it in a new one. This reinforces concepts and highlights syntactic differences. Engaging with online communities also provides valuable insights and code review. Finally, learning programming languages is a continuous journey. New features and best practices emerge regularly, so staying updated is key. While the goal is to understand all languages conceptually, practically, you will likely specialize in 2 or 3 that align with your career or personal interests. Remember, the core principles remain constant, making each new language an exciting, manageable challenge rather than an overwhelming task.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.